Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will learn what an IP address is. So, let's get started. Computers on internet communicate with each other with cables or wirelessly. If you want to download a file from internet, then your computer must have an address so that other computers on internet can find and locate your computer on internet. In other terms, that address of computer is called IP address. Let us understand with another example. Like if someone wants to send you a mail, then he should have your home address. Similarly, your computer also needs an address so that computers on internet can send you a file that you want to download. That address is called IP, which is nothing but a bunch of numbers written in a certain format. For instance, this is your home address, which is identified by your area postman, and you get all the things delivered on address. Similarly, this is your computer address, which is identified by computers on internet, and you get all downloads available at this computer address, which is the IP address of your computer. IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. But what does this mean? Internet protocol is a set of rules that makes internet work. You are able to watch this video on YouTube only because your computer or smartphone has an IP address. And YouTube is sending all the data related to this video to this address. Without an IP address, your computer will not be able to send IP datagrams or IP packets to other computers. And sending IP packets requires a connection to the internet, including an IP address. IP address is of two types: Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. Internet Protocol version 4 consists of 4 numbers separated with a dot. Each number can range from 0 to 255 in decimal numbers. But computers do not understand these decimal numbers. So, these numbers are converted to binary form, which is computer understandable. Therefore, in binary this range can be written like this. Since each number n is separated by a group of 8 binary digits, so whole IPv4 address is represented by a sequence of 32 ones and zeros, or simply by a sequence of 32 bits. So, IPv4 is a 32-bit address. In IPv4, a unique sequence of ones and zeros is assigned to each computer. Therefore, a total of 2 raised to power 32 devices, that is approximately 4 billion devices, can be addressed and connected to internet. But there is a problem with this 32-bit IPv4 address. With IPv4 we can connect only this number of devices to internet. But these days we have computers, smartphones, far more than 4 billion. So slowly we are moving towards IPv6 address, which is a 128-bit IP address. In human-friendly form, IPv6 is written as a group of 8 hexadecimal numbers separated with colons. For example, in human-friendly form, the IPv6 address can be written like this, while in computer-friendly form IPv6 address can be written by a sequence of 128 ones or zeros. Since a unique sequence of ones and zeros is given to each computer connect to internet. So, with IPv6 a total of 2 raised to power 128 devices can be connect to internet. IPv6 can address this number of devices, which is far more than enough for many generations to come.